If you want to make your game harder in Unity, follow these steps. In the previous videos, I have configured the game with endless platform generation, spike obstacles, and the game experience looks very basic. The character is always moving at the same speed. Many players could find that gaming experience boring, so it's a good idea to speed up the game and make it more exciting to play. But how to make your game faster? That's simple. Just navigate to your player script and locate the player force value. Update the player force. Make a simple object that will be the duplicate of the platform generator. It will be an invisible object. As you can see, it will have a tag. Name the tag FasterSpeed. Now you can go to the script in order to implement it. Go to player movement and add void on trigger enter. Write an if statement that will check if your player touches an object with a tag FasterSpeed. That will be the tag for the invisible game object. It will speed up the player every time the player goes through it. The speed will be increased by a float value, which is called forceToAdd. That value updates the player force value, so the player will move faster. Save the script and go back to Unity. In the forceAdd field, you need to set a value that will be added every time your player touches the invisible object. Set a small value, like 2. As you can see, the player speed value is increasing, but I would recommend you to add 2 objects with the same tag and move the platform generator further away. That will be the object that will revert your player to the start position. But anyway, that object will make your game endless. I would also recommend you to add a limit, like if the speed is smaller than 50. These settings won't make your speed constantly increase. If you don't want to use the invisible game object, you can try this script. It will increase the player force at a specific time. You can also set the limit of the speed, like in the previous script. Then you have to set the value, like at what time you want the speed to be increased. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. This game now looks fine. It's more like a real game, but it's missing some details that can make it more interesting. I am developing a similar game, which is called Tic-Tuk, also known as Tic-Tuk Run. This game will be published next week, or maybe one day when I finish it. Stay tuned to the next tutorial. Goodbye.